Alright YouTube, today we got the Feit Electric 4 feet LED conversion kit from fluorescent to LED, those two big tube lights, shop lights from Costco. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright, see here, we got 14 watts. I don't know if you guys can read this. Let's see here if I can put it this way. Says 14 watts, 1750 lumens, 5,000 or 50,000 life hours. So this will last you for a long time. And then here we got the T8 and T12. So it does replace any of these two bulbs or tubes. Replaces T12 and T8. That's just what I said right now. Convert your old fluorescent fixture to LED simply by replacing the tubes. See on the back, it says cool white 4K, or it says, yeah, it's the same thing. The side, the label here says Feit Electric, pending rate life. T electronic ballast will vary depending on ballast type. Energy savings 56%. Using a 14 watt LED replacement lamp compared to using a 32 watt fluorescent lamp with electronic ballast. Replaces 2-pin tubes only. Got some caution there. It says Feit Electric Company, Puerto Rico or Pico Rivera, California. Made in China. Alright, let's take a look at these. I already installed these on my shop, on my old fixtures, and let's take a quick look at them. I'll give you a closer look at how they look installed. That's the way they look installed. As you can see, they do have a label. They do have a label on the other side. The label has to be pointed up, and the glass part has to be pointed down. So that's that one, and then we got this one too. So I got a total of 4. I got a total of 4 tubes. Alright, I'm going to turn them on now. So they do take about 2 seconds. About 2 seconds before they actually turn on. I would say, yeah, about 2 seconds. I'm going to turn them off and turn them on again. So there we go. I'm going to turn them on now. See? Just about 2 or 3 seconds before they turn on. It's like the full brightness of the lights once you turn them on. I really like them. I like the way the shop looks, and that's the way they illuminate the light. As you guys can see, it's a white light, like a daylight. It's a beautiful light, and that's my shop. I do have a mess in my shop, but yeah, that's the color that it's like a daylight, like a cool white daylight, white, and it's real bright. I got 4 of them. I think even with 2 for a regular size garage, I think 2 of them should be okay. But if you want something a little brighter, 4 should be just enough, you know, for garage. 4 is plenty, actually. As you can see, you know, there's the light there, pretty bright. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.